Hey guys, it's Paolo here and welcome back to another video about real estate investing in the Philippines. So in today's video, I will show you how to buy a ready for occupancy condominium for sale in Makati City, Philippines, and the featured project is SMDC Air Residences. So what I'll do is I will give you the project overview of Air Residences in Makati City, and I will show you how to read the sample computation and teach you how to buy a condominium at Air Residences in Makati City for as low as 55,409 pesos per month. So make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. I will show you how. Okay, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you are brand new, my name is Paolo Beringuel and I teach people about how to invest in real estate in the Philippines. So if you want to get this kind of videos, please give this video a like or a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get my updates for whenever I release a new video. In this video, I will show you how to buy a ready for occupancy condominium unit at Makati City. And the featured project is the SMDC Air Residences located in Makati. So I will show you the project overview of SMDC Air Residences and I will show you the sample computation and I will teach you how to read the numbers in the sample computation. Now for those of you who would like to get more information about Air Residences, I will put the contact details of Rhea Locsin on the screen so you can message her on Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp, Viber or email, and let her know that you have seen the video of Paolo Beringuel on YouTube and she would be able to assist you with your inquiry about Air Residences in Makati City and give you the latest promo and discounts with SMDC. So now let's talk about the project overview of SMDC Air Residences in Makati City. This is the artist perspective of the Air Residences building. SMDC Air Residences is located along Malugay Street in Makati City. And this is the artist's perspective of the grand lobby of Air Residences. And this is the artist's perspective of the amenity area of SMDC Air Residences. And as you can see, it looks like it's a hotel and it looks beautiful. So imagine yourself living at SMDC Air Residences and this is the view of your amenities. This is another artist's perspective of the amenity area at SMDC Air Residences. And this is the artist's perspective of a dress-up unit at Air Residences. So it looks like it's a hotel. So you can have an idea of how it will look like when it's fully furnished and it's fully dressed up. With regards to the building features of SMDC Air Residences, it comes with a front desk, 12 elevators, 24-hour security, fire protection and alarm system, generators set for common areas and select residential outlets, centralized cistern tank, provision for telecom and cable providers, and intercom system. These are some of the artist's perspective of how the unit would look like when it's fully furnished. And you can see it looks beautiful and it looks like it's a hotel. So now let's talk about the different residential offerings at SMDC Air Residences. So they have this studio unit with balcony and the total area is 22.95 square meters. So the floor plan coming from the main entrance, you have the kitchen and the toilet and bath, the dining area, the living and sleeping space and with the access to the balcony. They also offer the one-bedroom unit with balcony and the total area is 26.35 square meters. So these are some of the floor layout of the one-bedroom unit with balcony. So coming from the main entrance, you have the kitchen and toilet and bath, and then the dining and living space, and you have the bedroom with the access to your balcony. They also offer the two-bedroom unit and the two-bedroom unit with balcony. So the two-bedroom unit, total area is 36.55 square meters. So coming from the main entrance, you have the toilet and bath, kitchen, the dining, the living space, and then you have the bedroom number 1, and this is the bedroom number 2. Now, for the two-bedroom unit with balcony, total area is 46.38 square meters. So coming from the main entrance, you have the bedroom number 1. Then you have the kitchen, the dining, the living space, toilet and bath, number 1. And then you have the master bedroom with its own toilet and bath and the access to the balcony. This is the layout of the building and the floor plan. So if you purchase a property on this side, this will be the amenities view. And on this part, this is the amenities and Makati skyline view. And on this side, this is the amenities view. And on this side, this will be the amenities Manila Bay view. And on this part, this will be the CBD skyline view of Makati and BGC skyline. So this is facing Ayala Avenue. So now that you have seen the project overview and some of the floor plans of SMDC Air Residences, let me go ahead and show you the sample computation and teach you how to buy a ready for occupancy condominium in Makati City, specifically at SMDC Air Residences. So this is the sample computation, and just a disclaimer, the numbers that I will show you can be different. So by the time that you speak to Rhea Locsin, the numbers will be different depending on the latest promo and discounts with SMDC. So make sure that if you want to get a more accurate sample computation and free quotation, please contact Rhea Locsin and the details will be on the screen. So you can message her on Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp, on Viber or email, and let her know that you have seen the video of Paolo Beringuel on YouTube, and she would be able to assist you with your inquiry about SMDC Air Residences and give you the latest promo and discount. So now let's talk about the sample computation of a 1-bedroom with balcony amenity view for Air Residences. So for this sample computation, the pay term is called 5% spot down payment. 15% down payment is staggered into 22 months. And 80% remaining payable by cash or loan balance. So for this sample computation, the list price is 6,858,000 pesos. Plus the other charges and the VAT, the total amount payable or the total contract price is 8,126,730 pesos. So just take note, guys, that this property is ready for occupancy. So that means if you make the payments, then you should be able to have the property for turnover and you can now live in the property. Now, the good news is that you don't need to pay that whole amount of 8,126,730 pesos. What you need to do is that if you want to buy a property at SMDC Air Residences, the down payment required is 5% of the selling price or the total amount payable. But if you want to reserve a unit today, the first thing that you need to do is you need to speak to Rhea Locsin. And then you have to pay the reservation fee. So the reservation fee is 25,000 pesos. And you can pay that using cash, check, online banking, or credit card. And then after paying that 25,000 pesos reservation fee, that will be deducted from the 5% down payment. So the remaining payment required is 381,336.50. So what it means is that once you paid the reservation fee, let's say for example, you paid the reservation fee of 25,000 pesos today. After 30 days or after the first month, that is the time that you have to pay the remaining spot down payment, which is the 381,336 pesos 0.50. So that is the spot down payment. Now, after paying that spot down payment, the next payment that will be required is the 15% down payment, which is staggered into 22 months. So you can see in the sample computation, the second down payment, 15%, is 1,219,009 pesos 0.50. Now, that 1,219,009 pesos was divided into 22 months. So that is why it's called 15% in 22 months. So that amount divided by 22 months, the monthly amortization that you have to pay is equivalent to 55,409 pesos 0.52. So that means that is the monthly amortization that you have to pay the developer from the 2nd to the 23rd month. So after you pay that in the next 23 months, what will happen is that the remaining balance of 80% will be required. And on this example computation, the remaining balance of 80% is equivalent to 6,501,384 pesos. So the good news is that you don't, as an investor, we don't normally use our own money to pay for that lump sum payment of 6,501,384 pesos. What we normally do is we go to a bank in the Philippines and we apply for a bank loan. So what will happen is that once the bank approve your loan, the bank will pay that lump sum payment to the developer, and then you as the investor, as the borrower, you will now pay that amount to the bank. So depending on the pay term, so let's say that 6,501,384 pesos, you divide that into, let's say, 25 years, let's say 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 25 years. That is the monthly amortization that you have to pay to the bank. So again, this is for a ready for occupancy condominium unit at SMDC Air Residences. And this is for a 1-bedroom with balcony. And the pay term is 5% spot down payment, 15% down payment, staggered into 22 months, and 80% cash loan balance. So now that you have seen the project overview of SMDC Air Residences and the sample computation, for those of you who would like to invest at SMDC Air Residences, I will put the contact details of Rhea Locsin on the screen, so you can message her on Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp, Viber, or email, and let her know that you have seen the video of Paolo Beringuel on YouTube, and she would be able to assist you with your inquiry about SMDC Air Residences and the other projects at SMDC. And she would be able to give you the latest promo and discounts with the different projects at SMDC. So I hope that you liked this video, and I hope that I was able to educate you on how to buy a ready for occupancy condominium unit at SMDC Air Residences in Makati City. If you like this video, please give it a like or a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I will answer them. So again, for those of you who would like to invest at SMDC Air Residences and other projects of SMDC, I will put the contact details of Rhea Locsin on the screen, so you can message her on Facebook Messenger, on WhatsApp, Viber, or email, and let her know that you have seen the video of Paolo Beringuel on YouTube, and she would be able to assist you with your inquiry with the latest promo and discounts at SMDC. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get my updates for whenever I release a new video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I wish you all the best, and God bless.